Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to activate autocorrection on the following device. So first of all, just open the messages, click on a new one, like you will be entering a new one, and tap on the settings right here. Now click on Smart Typing, and here you will notice Auto Spell Check. So just click here, and now you can activate it in, for example, English. So it's the system language. And from now on, your misspelled words will be underlined in red and suggested corrections. So this is it. This is how you can activate correction in your Samsung Galaxy A21s. You can smoothly use your spell checker. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.